2 Subarus, 2 Hondas. These 4 vehicles are on the market. They're all under $6,000. We're going to check them out, and we're also going to check out the crash test to see which one holds up the best. Welcome to How Much Vehicle for the Money, everybody. Hope you're all having a beautiful day. So this is where we're going to begin with this really cute, sporty Subaru Impreza. This one's a 2013 model. It's the 2.0i Sport Premium Wagon. It's all-wheel drive. It has 135,392 miles on it, and you'll find it in Miami, Florida. And this one is a 2-liter 4-cylinder with 27 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. Let's check it out. This is a sweet, sporty Subaru Impreza. Nice. So you do have the roof rails. You've got clear headlamps, sporty wheels. Look at this. And it's $5,580. And this is How Much Vehicle for the Money, everybody. Hope you're all having a beautiful day. Cheers. Hope your glass is always full of gratitude. Now, if you're in love with this vehicle, from what you just see here, there are auto appraisers, that will go out and check out this vehicle for you. And they'll find these vehicles on the website Auto Trader. You'll also find the private sellers down below in the description box. And so you can look for vehicles outside of your zip code, such as this. And this is a 2013 Subaru Impreza. An auto appraiser for a fee and as a service to you will go out and check out the vehicles for you. And this one is in Miami, Florida. And through Auto Trader, they are seller verified, and if you want one of these vehicles delivered right to your front door, that is part of the Auto Trader package when you buy through a verified seller. And no money changes hands until you have the vehicle in your driveway, you've inspected it, and given the okay and the keys to grab and go. Look at this. This is fine. So you have a mix of cloth and maybe leather interior. Very clean. Nice floor mats. It's the automatic. And this is $5,580. And it's a 2013 Subaru Impreza 2.0i Sport model in black. Very nice. So it's been driven just under 11,000 miles per year. So there is your CD player. And they're private sellers verified through Auto Trader. And as I mentioned in my other episodes, please never give out any money or personal information. Make sure that you speak to someone, you see them on a FaceTime video, or you have an auto appraiser go check out the vehicle for you if it is outside of your area. So you have to due diligence and proceed with caution, right? Just like driving a car. But you can chat with sellers, you can make your offers. They have clean titles as shown here in the notes. So you can check out Auto Trader if you're not familiar with that program and online webpage, I should say. So here's a little bit more of the Subaru Impreza, and they're asking $5,580. And never be afraid to make an offer. That's what I say. These automobiles are placed on the market to be sold. And when you're dealing with a private seller, you don't have the pressure of the automobile dealership. You'll still get a clean Carfax, but make sure you see both sides of your clean title. And if you're new to automobile buying, make sure you ask the what the tread life is left on the tires, what size they are, any accidents, which the Carfax will show you that anyway. How many owners? It's nice to know how well it's been maintained. How well it's been maintained, and so on and so forth. So if you're looking for a southern car, this one's in Miami, Florida. Subaru Impreza, very sporty. So we have like a light taupe color interior. And it's been driven just under 11,000 miles per year. So here's your back seat. Looks very clean. And if you drive one of these vehicles that we're showing today in the episode, let us know in the comments, would you please? That's how we learn something from each other. You can let us know how long you've had it, what year it is, how many miles per gallon you get, and any issues. And we're also going to check out the crash test. That'll be interesting to see the frontal crash test results to see which one of these vehicles you feel holds up the best. And this is the Subaru Impreza. All-wheel drive. Roof rails are very nice. It's very sporty, isn't it? Miami, Florida. And it does not have a hitch on the back. Very nice. And they're asking $5,580 for this vehicle. Not $15,500, not $25,000. It's $5,580. And it shows here that it has Bluetooth, heated seats, brake assist, security, leather steering, fog lights, roof rack, spoiler, premium wheels, and it does have the CVT transmission, which is continuously variable automatic transmission. 27 in the city, 36 on the highway for your miles per gallon. All-wheel drive. And the seller notes state that it's a dependable, well-maintained, fuel-efficient, and ready for its new owner. And that one again is in Miami, Florida. 2013 Subaru Impreza. All right, now we're going to check out the Honda Civic. This is a 2009 Honda Civic LX sedan four-door. And this one's in Gainesville, Florida. They're asking, $5,000 for this automobile. And it has just under 95,000 miles on it. So this has been driven around not quite 6,000 miles per year. And this one has the 1.8 four-cylinder gas engine, 25 miles per gallon in the city, and 36 on the highway. Let's check it out. How much Honda Civic are we getting for our money? This is the 09 year. Four-door sedan. There you have it. Now, if you drive a Honda Civic, let us know in the comments. This is the 09 for $5,000. Gainesville, Florida. Another verified seller. Yeah, this looks really clean too. Another Southern vehicle. $5,000. You can always make offers. Very nice, very clean, nice taillights. If you're a new driver, or maybe you're downsizing vehicles, or maybe you just need an extra vehicle that's better on gas than what you're currently driving, here you go. Even if you spend a little extra to have it transported to your home, and you want a Southern vehicle, you don't want something that you're worried about the rust from up north, I think it's well worth it to look outside of your zip code. This looks very nice. Buying sight unseen can be a little scary, of course. However, if you read owner reviews and you do your research, or maybe you've had one of these vehicles in the past and you know they're good to go, here you go. If you want to find one that's under $6,000. This one's $5,000. This is the 09 year. Very nice. Little Honda Civic LX. Four-door sedan. So here's our cloth interior. You can always wrap your steering wheel and get some nice seat covers if you like. If you want to dial up the inside of it. Looks like we do have some floor mats. This looks very clean. Nice. There's your back seat. Doesn't look like it's even been sat on, right? $5,000, you guys, right here. Automobile of your own. Yeah, stay out of the car payment zone is that's what I recommend. Just think of the money you'll save if you never have an auto payment again. You can save for the house, and speaking of which, you can check out my other channel, How Much House for the Money. That's where I show you houses with low price and high potential. But if you're saving for a home, just stay away from the auto payments. It saves you so much money if you can just save up the cash and buy the car outright, keep it for a few years, maintain it, take care of it. And this is the Honda Civic 09 year for $5,000 in Gainesville, Florida. Another verified seller. Nothing wrong with that. Hopefully it runs good, lasts you for several years, under 95,000 miles. And on the Carfax, you'll find out if the timing belt or the timing chains have been replaced. You can check on the tires and learn a little bit about the history of the vehicle. So this one has, again, the 1.8 four-cylinder liter engine. Security, cruise, and portable audio, keyless entry, two-wheel drive. And the seller's notes say it is in good condition with gray exterior and beige interior, and power windows and door locks, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, four-wheel ABS anti-theft system, front and rear head curtain, dual side airbags. Nice. $5,000 in Gainesville, Florida. That's a nice little find with very low miles as well for its year, I would say. All right, so now we're going to head in and look at a Honda Accord. Look at this sweet little coupe. This is an Accord EX-L. This one has 129,000 miles on it, which means it's been driven under 6,500 miles per year. It is the 3-liter V6. It's going to get 20 in the city for your miles per gallon and 29 on the highway. This is a 5-speed automatic, 2-wheel drive with heated leather seats, satellite radio, security system, premium wheels, and keyless entry. Let's check it out. This is the Honda Accord Coupe. These are sweet. So it looks like we have a sunroof for this one, black exterior, nice clear headlamps. And they're asking $4,500 for this car. So we're reducing the price, you guys, as we go here. Very nice. Look at how sporty this is. This is the Honda Accord 2-door coupe. Been driven under 6,500 miles per year. This is like a new automobile, you guys. If it has a clean Carfax, it's been well maintained, definitely check these out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, subscribe to my other channel, hit the notification bell, because that house, the cabin, the acreage, and the vehicle you're not looking for may be in the next episode. And my name is Susan, by the way. It's great to have all of you here. We'll form this community and learn something from each other. All about automobiles. Yeah, this is nice. Looks very clean. Nice wheels. It's hard to see the tread life, so that's why you always want to ask how much tread's left on the tires. And if any of you are classic car enthusiast, cheers to all of you. My father, his name was Clarence. He was a classic car enthusiast. He was a Ford man. And so I dedicate this channel to him. And so all of our, all the automobile lovers out there, this channel's for you too. It's fun to see what's out there. It's fun to go to classic car shows. And if you live down in Southwest Florida, down in Inglewood, Florida, they've got a great car show there on Sundays. I think there's the first Sunday of each month. Don't quote me on that. And so go check it out if you're in the Inglewood, Florida area. Great car shows in the fall and winter months. Classic car show. This one's very nice. This is the 06 Honda Accord. $4,500 for this. Been driven under 6,500 miles per year. Very nice. I mean, when you consider what auto payments are these days, $500, $700, some are close to $1,000 a month, depending, of course, on what you drive. And then you add auto insurance on top of that and fuel costs if you're not driving an EV. It adds up a lot. It adds up a lot. It adds up fast to a lot of money. So if you can, stay out of the auto loan payment zone and buy a car with cash, these look like some good finds. And this one again is $4,500 in Charlotte, North Carolina. Leather interior is very nice. It does not have rubber mats on your carpet in the front. And here's your back seat. Yeah, it doesn't have rubber mats, so you could order those or find them at your local auto store. And here's your 3-liter V6 VTEC engine. And that's the 06 Honda Accord EX-L. Yeah, that's sweet. That's a nice little find right there for one of you. And let me cancel this out here. The X's are very touchy on this website. Okay, so it has 129,000 miles on it, and it's the 06 3-liter V6, 20 miles per gallon city, 29 on the highway. Seller's notes state that it has a new motor installed with just over 128,000 miles on it, serious inquiries only. So this vehicle, this Honda Accord, has a new motor. And when you're on Auto Trader, you'll see these little tab marks here. You can chat with the seller, you can make offers, but definitely chat with them via FaceTime or another mobile phone app, or maybe you have somebody in the area that can look at it for you if you don't want an auto appraiser. But this one is in Charlotte, North Carolina, 06 Honda Accord with a new engine. Okay, and now we're going to check out this very nice Subaru Outback wagon. This is a 2.5i. It's all-wheel drive, 2011, and this one has 135,535 miles on it, or 355 miles on it, pardon me. And this one has the 2.5 four-cylinder, 22 miles per gallon in the city, 29 on the highway, and you're going to have the CVT transmission with this one too. And again, all-wheel drive, leather heated seats, premium auto, Bluetooth backup camera, keyless entry, fog lights, roof rack, spoiler, and premium wheels with this 2.5 Subaru Outback. And again, it's a 2011 year. Let's check it out. This looks very sporty. Nice. I happen to like the style of these. So it does have what appears to be roof rails. So this one's been driven just about 9,000 miles per year, I want to say. 8 to 9,000 per year. And this is, again, a 2011. $4,600 for this wagon. And this is another verified seller. There's your headlamps, your hood. And this one is in California, San Diego. There's your interior, leather interior. And this is going to be an all-wheel drive. Looks like it has a CD player. And they're asking $4,600 for this one. Here's the back seat. Again, looks like they never sat back there. Which many vehicles, they don't have backseat passengers, right? I mean, they don't have the backseat driver. Are you one of those? So here's your, when you open up your hatch, that's very nice. You've got the rubber mat back there. Then you've got your shade to cover your groceries and things. You can camp in the Outback. I'm sure those seats fold flat. It's very nice. It's very clean. San Diego, California. There's your odometer. And this is the 2011 year, $4,600. Very nice. There's your cup holders. Automatic, of course. The manuals are out there, however. If you drive a manual and you're looking for manuals, they're out there. There's your CD player. Looks like you're going to have maybe some heated seats. This may be a limited. Yes, it is a limited. There's your floor mats. $4,600 for the Subaru Outback Limited with power moonroof package, all-wheel drive. And this one is in San Diego, California. Very nice. There again is another, that's very pretty. Black exterior. 2.5 four-cylinder, 22 in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. Seller's notes state, good condition. Exterior and interior are in good condition. Just serviced, had brand new brake pads and rotors installed, oil change, new radiator. And they just need a larger vehicle to haul their aging parents. Mechanic says the head gaskets appear weak, so it's still running great, but low price reflects possible work needed to be done in the future. So that's really great that they're being so honest about what they have there. And that's in San Diego, California, $4,600. And again, it has a lot of perks. Backup camera, Bluetooth, heated leather seats, premium audio, fog lights, and roof rack and spoiler. Nice. Outback Limited, $4,600, and that's the 11 year. Or we have the 2006 Honda Accord with 129,000 miles on it for $4,500, and that's in Charlotte, North Carolina. Or we have a 09 Honda Civic in Gainesville, Florida, under 95,000 miles, and they're asking $5,000 for that. Or we have the Subaru Impreza, the sporty Subaru Impreza, 2013 year with 135,000, and they're asking $5,580 for that vehicle. Now we're going to check out the crash test. Let's look at the Impreza. Frontal crash test via YouTube right here. Let's check it out. And you can make up your own minds. So there's the Impreza frontal crash test. Let's take a look at that one more time. And that's the 2012 to 2013 year. So you can gauge and have your own opinion about this. That's the Impreza. Here is the Honda Civic. That is for the 2006 to 2009 year. That's the Honda Civic. And here is the Honda Accord. This is for the 2003. The model we looked at was a 2006. That's for the Accord. That's the Accord. And now we're going to look at that the Subaru Outback. And this is for the 2011. And there you have it. Which vehicle do you think held up the best? I would say maybe the Subaru Outback, but it is a little bit longer. It could be a little bit heavier as well. And you can look at those facts on Edmunds.com. And you can always read owner reviews and definitely do more research here on YouTube. But that'll do it for today's episode. 2 Subarus, 2 Hondas. They're all under $5,600. They all appear to be in very good condition. Check them out. Stay tuned for more vehicles with low price and low miles. And check out my other channel, How Much House for the Money. That's where I show you houses with low price and high potential. Have a great day, everybody. Stay safe. Cheers.